Hello, Onkar. Welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, sir. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you. So, for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Onkar today with us. He has recently completed his multi-track with cybersecurity training program here at I-MEDITA and got placed with Gruve Technologies as a SOC engineer. So, today in this session, we are going to discuss about his experience during the training program, what kind of preparation he did for placement-related activities as well, and about his activities which he performed here at I-MEDITA, what kind of intensive learning he did, and all the aspects related to training and his job related activities. So, hi Onkar, welcome again, and let's get started. So, first of all, many heartiest congratulations for getting your first job as a fresher into cybersecurity SOC domain as a security engineer. So, how it feels like?
It feels like rewarding, sir.
Great. So, you enrolled here in multi-track with cybersecurity program, right?
Yes, sir.
What all modules, what all training you have completed till now?
I have completed CCNA, CCNP, CH, Linux, and I started Palo Alto batch.
Okay. So almost all training you have completed. You have also attended
Yes,
PD classes and interview preparation classes.
yes, sir. I have done that.
So how's your overall experience here at I-MEDITA from the time you have joined here until now?
It's 10 out of 10, sir. The trainers are very good, sir, and they provided all material, all books, and they guided us well.
Okay. So you enroll for this program, and on a daily basis, how much time you have spent here in the classes, in the labs, towards a self-study? So on a daily basis, how many hours of study you are doing here?
On a daily basis, the live lectures was like two hours, or if I'm doing two batches parallelly, then it's 4 hours. And for the self study, I was like doing 4 to 5 hours a day, and for the discussion, it's 2 to 3 hours with friends.
So 6 to 7 hours every day minimum you are spending here, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So why you opted for I-MEDITA? There are many institutions, many such companies offering similar kind of courses. What motivated you to join only I-MEDITA?
My friend got placed from here, and he told me that this is the best institute for networking and cybersecurity training. That's why I joined here.
Okay, so your friend, he enrolled for some courses. Previously, he got
Yeah,
placed. He recommended you to join these courses, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So because you got a feedback from your friend, so I am sure there must be certain expectations in your mind from your friend recommendation also. And when you started exploring this option, before you started your training with I-MEDITA, there must be certain expectations in your mind that this is what I'm going to learn. This is what I expect in terms of lab practical interview preparation. So today, when you have completed your job, when you have completed your training, when you have got the job, I would like to understand whether we were able to met those expectations which Onkar was having before enrollment and now when he has almost completed the course.
Yes, sir. All expectation met, and I was expecting the good placement and getting trained with the good trainers with good experience, and it is all great.
Okay. So can you tell us from which all instructor you did your classes and how was your experience with those instructors?
I have done CCNA from Surendra sir, and CCNP from Vikas sir, and CH and Linux from Yuvraj sir. And I have started Palo Alto batch from Baldev sir. It is all great, sir. Experience is all great.
So you have got all the required study material, lab guides and everything from our side for your study purposes.
Yes, sir. Everything is provided.
Okay. Coming to your placement, did you got required placement support from our team? How many interviews you have given and how specifically you have prepared for the interviews also?
Yes, sir. I have given like two mock interviews, and for the company, I have given 5 to 6 total interviews, and I have got placed in three, and I joined this third one, Groove,
Okay. Okay. And
for the security.
what kind of preparation material you followed for interviews? Any specific material, any specific documentation you followed?
I have followed the notes and they provided, and everything they provided in a specific format. I followed that and got placed.
Okay. So how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
Yeah, it's 10 out of 10, sir.
Okay. And would you recommend our training and courses to your other friends as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And
I'm definitely gonna do that.
any feedback, any suggestion from your end through which we may improve our training and services in future?
So everything is all perfect, sir. There is no need anything to like. It is all perfect.
Great. So thank you, Onkar. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best. As a fresher, being this your first job, we recommend you to give maximum contribution to your team, to your company. Learn a lot of things because initial
Uh,
1-2 years are very crucial for freshers, for beginners. And this being your first job, we would recommend you to give 100% contribution to your team. Keep learning, complete your course, stay in touch, and grow in future.
yes, sir.
So
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you once again and all the best again.
Thank you, sir.